Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. May God bless each and every one of you. I hope you guys have a terrific day. Remember, it's Friday, so finish the week strong, whether you're at school or at work. There are a few interesting news that's going on in the music world, so let me start sharing with you guys. J and Nicki Minaj. Sparks flew between the two when Ray J joined Nicki Minaj's Instagram live. Things got tense real fast when Nicki warned Ray J, and this is what she had to say according to what I read on hot97.com. Before you finish their sentence, I will block you, okay? When I ask a question, it's to be answered. This is a court, sir. You've been trying to get my attention now. You got it. Were you fighting in the club? Yes or no? And this is what Ray J had to say. No, we didn't have a fight. We had a big argument right outside the club. This time, I think I got loud and got aggressive. But it was the third time this happened, so I felt like I needed to stand up for myself. What's interesting about this is that he said he thinks he got loud and aggressive. So I'm taking this as, was he under the influence when this happened? Listen, if you're in your 30s or 40s or even 50s and you're still going to clubs, in my opinion, that's sad. That's pretty sad. You don't have peace. You don't have tranquility. Because going to a club, to be honest with you, there's people that they go to a club just to have fun with friends and stuff like that. And then you have some people who go to the clubs for business purposes. Regardless, there's more cons to pros. There's more cons than pros when it comes to going to clubs. I used to go to clubs when I was 19, 20, 21, 22. Sometimes when I was 23. I would say the last time that I went clubbing when I was 24. And that was for one of my sister's birthday. Yeah, I was 24. Clubs, they're loud, packed, sometimes overcrowded. You want to dance, but you got to worry about people. You have to go like this because, too many bumps and stuff like that, and that could cause fights. There's nothing amazing about going to clubs. That's just my opinion. I don't miss it, thank God. That was out of my system by the time I was 24. I would say from the ages of 19 to 24, I consistently used to go clubbing, but never by myself though. Thank God, never by myself. Never was a drinker, never got intoxicated. People that I was surrounded with, of course, but I was always mentally strong and intelligent to not go that route. But to see grown men and women, especially way older than me, still going to clubs, still getting into arguments and fights with other public figures or just people in general, that's sad. All we could do is pray for the person. Hopefully they change their life around, but is a waste of time. There's no peace there. No peace. No peace. I hope that Reggae someday finds his inner and outer peace. Because this is not peaceful behavior from a grown man. In other news, the old Mike would have gone to this event if you're a huge reggae fan, especially when it comes to reggae dancehall, you might want to attend this event. On Saturday, November 30th, the Barclays Center in Brooklyn will transform into a dancehall paradise as the Reggae Love Fest takes the stage with a star-studded lineup. And listen to this lineup: Shabaranks, Supercat, Capleton, Barrington Levy. When I think about Barrington Levy, I think about his collaborations with Shine with the songs Bad Boys and Bonnie and Shine. Those artists, they will join forces with other artists including Cuddy Ranks, TJ, Dougie Fresh, and many more. So again, if you're a huge reggae dancehall fan, you might want to participate in this event. Like I said, the old me would have not hesitated and would have gone to this event. And that concludes this video of music news to share with you guys. Please hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to go to my online store, mikesprada.shop. This shirt right here, Conversations with Independent Filmmakers, it's not on mikesprada.shop, but I'm thinking to do two things. Number one, buy more of these products, order more of these, and start selling them. And number two, design hats, snapback hats for Conversations with Independent Filmmakers, and start selling those as well. Conversations with Independent Filmmakers, there's a playlist here on the MMM Journal in which I interview some of independent filmmakers. I need to get back on that, interview more independent filmmakers, because there's just so many talent out there that don't have enough exposure. So that's where I come into play and use my platform to shine light on those that need more exposure. Have a great Friday, everyone. Have a great weekend. Be safe. And may God bless each and every one of you. Take care.